We were here to carry out a rehearsal ourselves, to just see that everything that's needed is in place, that the candidates are properly registered, their attendance registers are available, that the desks are arranged as per our regulations and requirements, and that the desks have both the names and the index numbers of the students. We also wanted to see whether the supervisors were present, the manager, the center manager was also present, whether all of them had their letters of appointment and their badges. And I think you also that they were all wearing badges, which meant that they had their letters of appointment. Yeah? And then we wanted also to encourage and inspire the students, tell them that we're wishing them well, and that we're all going through the same kind of stress that they're going through, to just make sure that everything is in place. And then to encourage them and tell them that the government has a 100% transition policy, and that all the students that are sitting the exams today, tomorrow, and the day after, all of them will transition from Standard 8 to Form 1. Arrangements have been made, everything is in place for that.